Legal proceedings resumed on the 17th of June 2025 in the case of Richard Muhumuza, who is appealing a 44-year prison sentence handed to him by High Court Judge Alex Mackey Ajiji for the alleged murder of his younger brother, Isaac Haino Biona.
What it wants to highlight in its written submissions, we see no need to address what orally. We therefore decline to grant leave counsel as read. We shall consider both submissions and give our judgment on it.
According to reports, Justice Ajiji had one time on February the 20th, 2024, sentenced 42-year-old Muhumuza to 42 years in prison, ruling that the prosecution had proved its case beyond reasonable doubt. The court found that Haino Biona died as a result of poisoning and described Muhumuza's testimony as inconsistent and contradictory. On June the 17th, 2025, it was reported that Muhumuza was sentenced to 44 years. In relation to the same case, the ruling stated that he murdered his brother despite the death certificate indicating COVID-19 as the case or the cause of death. The prosecution further claimed that the body was exhumed and crop chemicals were discovered in the remains. Muhumuza's appeal hearing was conducted via video link, which he did not consent to, according to sources. Questions have since been raised concerning the reliability of the video link system used during the appeal process. In a post shared on X, formerly Twitter, lawyer Malem Abirisi questioned the conduct of the Court of Appeal. He wrote, "Why should Court of Appeal stop Senior Counsel Konya from making 5 minutes highlight where Muhumuza Richard was sentenced to 44 years by Judge Ajiji that he murdered his brother with a COVID-19 death certificate. Mbu body was exhumed and crop chemicals found in it." That is, as quoted. The Court of Appeal is expected to deliver a ruling on the matter. This will come after reviewing submission from all parties.
Yes. An application before this. Apart from your appeal, is there an application?
An application for appeal again?
Is it an application for bail or an application for extension of time?
I did an application. I did an application for positive bail.
For bail?
Yes.
Did you tell your counsel about it? Did you meet it?
I know that I did. I will not talk about that, but I will many times I think it's overtaken by then.
So then you will be called. We are planning. Anyway, it will be called. This class was in. Then you can wait. Okay. You call them together. So.
Some laws on respect of the appeal.
You can withdraw them, right?
My lords, if going by the words of the appellant, if that application was for bail pending appeal, we do pray that this honorable court will please allow us to go the same. Since it has been overtaken in the events, allow us to proceed with substantive appeal, which is already fixed for here. I hope my colleague will present.
Please put down your hand. You could have already put on this one.
Put down the hand, please. And appearing for the respondent, Banyankole, Mr. John Bonfes. Appearing for the respondent is my colleague, Mr. John Bonfes. Kulu Dambi. The appellant is following proceedings by video link on Zero. My lords, I wanted to put the record straight that I had one expression talking about an application handling the appeal.
What is the application?
Actually,
Because I'm not also seeing.
maybe I'm very senior to Demons, but I think we're proceeding with the appeal, the substantive appeal in this matter.
But I see number 104.